Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll explain that how we can delete blank rows from our Excel data in a single go. Currently I'm having this data and there are a lot of blank rows in it. Deleting each row separately will take a lot of time. In order to delete all these rows in a single go, I will have to follow a simple trick. Firstly, select the entire row by clicking on the top. Now press Ctrl and G on your keyboard. Select Special from here, click on blanks, press OK. This would select all the blank rows on your sheet. In order to delete these blank rows, press Alt and type HDR. Now all the blank rows on your sheet have been deleted. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.